In today's fast-changing world, relying on a single income stream can feel risky. Finding creative ways to earn extra money can change everything. Let's explore how you can turn your free time into real profit with side hustles and freelancing ideas that fit your lifestyle. Freelancing isn't just for writers or designers anymore. From virtual assistants to voiceover artists, opportunities are everywhere. The key? Identify what you're good at, then turn it into a service. Time, skill, and consistency are all you need to build something real. You can sell digital products like ebooks, Canva templates, or Notion planners without managing inventory. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy let you set up shop and earn passive income while you sleep. If you have a clear voice, consider voice acting, audiobook narration, or starting your own podcast. Things like basic video editing, AI prompt writing, or social media management can turn into paid gigs. You can learn them in a few weeks and start offering services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even TikTok. You don't need a laptop to start. With just your phone, manage dropshipping, create TikTok content, or run affiliate pages. Your phone can be your digital office. Remote freelancing means international clients from your room. Use sites like Toptal, Freelancer, or Facebook groups. Build a solid portfolio. Your local currency stretches further when you earn in dollars or euros. Go where the demand is. Building a personal brand takes time but pays off. Document your journey, build trust, and soon your side hustle becomes your main income. Use tools to automate repetitive tasks. Scale smart, not hard. Extra money isn't just numbers, it's about freedom. Start small, but start today. Your skills, your story, your hustle can lead to something bigger. Are you ready to take the first step?